under the overarching theme, Facing Natural Hazards, this interdisciplinary and interactive 10-day program continued the summer school series held annually in Potsdam, Germany. It was jointly organized by 4 major institutes together with the University of Potsdam and in partnership with the capital city of Brandenburg. The goal was to bring together early career scientists and young professionals from various backgrounds and to discuss frontier research questions related to a sustainable development of the future, and to decipher what kind of actions are necessary for individuals, public authorities and governments to be able to cope with natural hazards.
And I heard about this summer school. It seemed like a really interesting mix of people attending, and obviously the theme relates to my work, so it seemed like a great opportunity to spread the word.
The Potsdam Summer School provided a unique opportunity for all participants as well as speakers to foster and enhance international cooperation and the exchange of ideas.
I am coming from Costa Rica, Central America.
Bangladesh.
I'm from Nepal.
Nigeria, in West Africa.
Thailand.
I come from Albania.
From Colombia.
I am from Rio de Janeiro.
I'm from China.
The 38 participants from 26 different countries, embracing all continents, were invited to deal with these global challenges and to explore the various risks and the very different methods to minimize risk, generate awareness and mitigate the impact to cope with natural disasters.
Disaster risk is an issue that's becoming increasingly important around the world, both in terms of its impact on assets but also on people.
Against the backdrop of global change, a growing population and the increase of urbanization have an enormous impact on vulnerability and exposure to hazards, and thus on risk and risk mitigation. High-level knowledge was contributed to the summer school program by a host of experts, stakeholders and lecturers from the organizing institutes, as well as from international organizations.
Having a proper assessment, for example, when I stick to the climate cooperation with climate scientists, for us to prepare an early warning system is extremely important to know exactly what is the meteorological situation in those countries, what are the climate risks that can be expected, and what might be good activities to respond to climate and extreme weather information. So when we are able to understand the information in a proper way, we are able to plan our preparedness for response activities in a proper way.
Based on selected examples for natural hazards, such as earthquakes, tsunamis, but also multi-hazards, the focus was on the complete chain, from risk and vulnerability analysis over preparedness to mitigation and resilience.
I work in the field of disaster risk reduction, which involves at least 42 disciplines and professions that have to work together. Many of the problems are very complex and they require a transdisciplinary, an interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary approach.
The Potsdam Summer School aims to link innovative methods of earth, environment and sustainability research with applications of hazard knowledge in politics and administration.
I think I can apply knowledge from summer school to my ongoing research.
It was a very interesting experience, meeting so many people from such a variety of different fields, and yeah, there's definitely high potential to network.